Yo guys, welcome back to Vietnam. We are today about 30 minutes outside of Nha Trang at a place called Ba Ho Waterfalls.
We have just arrived and are a little completely caught off guard. Very touristy. It looks like you can even stay here, like it's a hotel area too. And they've got water games, kayaks, and different things that you can do here. It's not the waterfall that we saw in Luang Prabang. It's not Quang Si Falls whatsoever.
I was expecting to get here and you just pull up and then you walk and then you find a waterfall. No,
right.
This is like
a resort.
Free parking for our scooter. We paid to get in. 50,000
for the actual waterfall, and then it was another 50,000 for the games. You could pick, but we decided why not go for it. It's $8. Let's see what it's about. There's nobody here right now. Since we've gotten here, it looked like we were the first ones to arrive, and within 5 minutes of us being here, another couple walked in and then another random person walked in. So there is a total of 5 people here today.
But let's go check out Ba Ho Waterfall.
We're now kind of at the beginning of where the games start. Right next to us there is a very nice looking restaurant with an open pool. They've got a little store here where you can pick out hats and sunglasses and little things. They've got a hammock over here, and they've got all these inflatables in the water. Paddle boards, the kayaks. This is a resort. That is my review here. This is a full-on resort made around the waterfall. So we're gonna head up this path and see if we can get to the top of the waterfall. We are here, which is like this area here, where there are swings and picnic tables and a restaurant right behind us. So we've come about halfway from where we started. So we got about halfway to go.
I always wanted a tree house as a little kid. I don't really feel that safe up here though, so.
Me either, let's go.
Let's go.
This is only the first lake. We still got a climbing to do.
Alright guys, so we made it to the second lake here, as you can see behind me.
Okay, we've made it to the third waterfall. Just up here. Okay, looks like we need to put the camera away for this one. We need all hands on deck.
Yes guys, we've made it to pool number 3.
To the main waterfall. It's not as grandeur as I thought it was going to be, but it does look that the water levels are down. They don't look very high at all.
So it's not like a waterfall that you'd envision when you hear the word waterfall.
It's not like the other waterfalls that we've taken you to. But the water's calming, it's nice and pretty and clear.
So we're gonna hang out for a bit, enjoy the sound of the water, and then head down. We made a very egregious mistake and didn't bring any drinking water with us. So we're kind of thirsty, we need to go get some. See you guys at the bottom. By the way guys, this is the way down. Holy hell. Ah! Careful. You want to show everyone your hiking shoes? Very nice hiking shoes. If you are coming to Ba Ho Waterfall in Vietnam, make sure to wear some good shoes and you bring some drinking water.
Alright guys, so that does it for the waterfall today. We're gonna enjoy the last bit of this sunshine, maybe get in the pool, get out on some paddle boards, then we're gonna head back to the city and grab some dinner. We'll see you there.
And remember guys, always leave a place cleaner than you found it. Good job, Alex. Good evening guys, it is now nighttime here in Nha Trang. We are on a pretty busy street here as this street runs along the coast here. And Alex and I are looking for something tasty for dinner. Maybe we'll find it in between some of these side streets. Let's go.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down like a lightning bolt.
So we found a spot to eat, and before diving into what we got, I just wanted to touch on the city itself. There is a lot of Eastern European influence in this city specifically, with the food, with the words, and with the people that you see. A lot of Eastern European in this specific city of Vietnam compared to, you know, all the other cities we've seen so far.
It's more pronounced here because we're seeing different languages everywhere. Uzbekistan restaurants, that sort of thing. So it's very pronounced here. It's not just one or two places, you see it everywhere.
And now for dinner, we've done something interesting tonight, so we'll see how it goes. We have went in for a seafood hot pot. Never officially done a hot pot before, so it's gonna be a little interesting. Gonna see how it works. And
you don't really know what to do with it when it comes out. And
yeah,
there are no directions.
hot pot. I am excited for this. It looks amazing. It came out with clams, squid, and shrimp. And when it came out, she lit the Bunsen on the bottom and just asked if we wanted everything to go in there. We said yes. She started pushing everything in there, and now it's all stewing. We also have our instant noodles here with, it looks like, some cabbage. Hot pot.
I am pretty excited. This is gonna be fun. Butter, garlic, onions, peppers. That'll be good. Wait, a little bit. A minute. 2 minutes. Okay? Yeah. She said, oh, wow. She came up here and she saw our bowls kind of trying to put something together, and she goes, all in, put all in. And she couldn't believe what we were doing with the food. So she takes our bowls, pours it all in there, puts the veggies and the cabbage in there. She says, wait, 1-2 minutes. It all needs to cook. And then we grab out. I would just like to say, I did suggest this idea to Corey, and he said, no way.
Lies. Hot pot.
It's super hot. This thing is boiling, but it smells amazing. There are so many spices in there. The seafood flavor is really good, and I didn't even get any seafood in that bite. But it's a little sweet because we found little bits of pineapple in there. There's fresh tomato. It's a little spicy because we got these red chilies in there. The broth is amazing. So good.
I'm a big fan of squid, so I'm gonna go in first bite with some squid. Good squid, but Alex is right, the flavor of the broth just blows you away. It really stands out in this dish.
Do the second one in there, all the veggies, poke it around. Okay, and I'm gonna try my first mussel.
Clam.
Pretty sure it's a clam.
Mussels are black and they're more slender, they're not round.
Cheers to clammies.
Why do you have the noodle on there?
Cause it's flavor enhancing. Not bad. A little sandy.
That was bomb, guys. Don't sleep on the hot pot. Hot pot. Woo! That was really good, guys. Alex and I are now just gonna go walk around, see what the nightlife of Nha Trang has to offer. But that's gonna do it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.